Independence Day speech for higher classes. Let's start. Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Ganvita A. I am studying in 8th standard. First of all, I wish you Happy Independence Day to all. We are celebrating Independence Day on August 15th every year. It is a national festival of India. Today we gather to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved country. A day of great pride and joy for every Indian. This day marks the end of British control in 1947 and the start of India's journey as a free and independent nation. This day is not just a holiday, it's moment to educate the younger generation about the struggles and sacrifices made by our courageous freedom fighters. They fought bravely against colonial rule to secure our nation's freedom. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sarojini Naidu, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. As we celebrate this special day, let's pledge to work towards a better and more inclusive India. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.